So welcome back guys, and in this video we're going to be building a very simple blog system. Now we have to create a new Laravel project, so let's just go ahead and create that. So let's open our Virtual Studio Code and just type Laravel new, and we're going to call this blog. So we're going to wait for this to just scaffold the project, and I'll see you when this is done. So we done installing Laravel. You can see we have this success message. Application key set successfully, and the application is ready. Build something amazing. So this means we've actually successfully installed Laravel, and the next thing we need to do is to install the Laravel UI. So we're going to be using Bootstrap for this, and also this UI is going to create a scaffold for the authentication and the rest. So let's just go ahead and install this URL. So there is like instruction on how to actually install this UI right here, and I'm going to drop the link to this in the description so that you can just follow this link. So let's just go ahead and install this UI using Composer. So let's just copy this. I say copy. But before we do that, because we actually have different folder right here, we're not in the root directory for this project. So let's just navigate into that directory. So let's just say cd blog, and this will take us to that directory of the project we just created. So we can now paste this right now. We can now paste this command. So let's press enter, and let's just wait for that to install this Laravel UI. So that has done installing. The next thing we need to do is to actually install the view is to actually install the Bootstrap UI. So let's just copy this command and let's paste it right here and click enter. So the next thing we can do, if you're using Vue or React in your application, you can go ahead and choose any of them, but for this video we're not going to be doing this. So let's just copy this command and let's just paste it right here and click enter, and let's just wait for these packages to be installed. So we're done installing all we need to install, and we've successfully run npm run watch command, which has now compiled everything, all the JavaScript dependency and the rest of it into our project. If you notice, this has also created this module node.modules folder for us. So we can now go ahead and actually go to our resources. In our view, you can see this auth folder right here, and this has also created the login, the register, the verify, the password, and everything. And if we go to our app controllers, you can see the auth folder right here. So let's just go ahead and run this project, and let's just kick this project, and let's see what we have right here. So let's run the PHP artisan serve, and let's see that. So this spelling is not correct. That's because we're not properly in our project directory. So let's just navigate into our project directory, and this is blog. So let's just run this command again. So this project has this command has started. So let's just go over to our local host now, 8000, and you can see we have a fresh Laravel project. And if we click login, you can see we have this login page. If we click register, and we have this register page right here. So let's just go ahead and work on this. Let's work with this, and let's actually see how we're going to build our mini project, which is the simple blog that we're going to be building with this. So I'll see you next video, guys.